peeps, welcome to the Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me. Happy St. Patrick's Day, my friends. Today is St. Patrick's Day. Do you see my pretty St. Patrick's Day hat? And I have a shirt and I have a tie made with beads. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Hi there. It's Elmo calling.
Do you hear that?
Hi there. It's Elmo
Do you
calling.
hear that?
Guess what?
It's Elmo! Elmo came to visit us again. Well, hello, Elmo. How are you? What? Elmo says he feels too red because he's red. He feels too red for St. Patrick's Day. You want some green color on you? He said yes, he wants to wear green. So let's see. Should we put a bow tie, a sparkly green bow tie on Elmo? Yes, Elmo, do you want a bow tie? He said yes. All right, let's put a green bow tie on Elmo. Feels a little more green for St. Patrick's Day. Oh, you look so cute, Elmo. Now you look like you're ready for St. Patrick's Day. What? You want a special hat on your head like me? All right. How about this one, Elmo? Do you want this one? Guys, should we put this one on Elmo? Two St. Patrick's Day clovers on them and little ribbons. Do you like this one? He said yes. All right, you want to help me put it on Elmo? All right, thank you, my friends. Let's put it on his head. Let's see. Let's turn around and put it on your head, Elmo. Oh my goodness, Elmo, you look so green. Now you're ready to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Do you think Elmo is ready to celebrate? You do? Me too. He's ready. He wants to sing a song with you. Do you want to sing a song with us, with Elmo and me, about St. Patrick's Day? You do? All right, let's sing the song. One green shamrock in the morning dew, another one sprouted, and then there were two. One, two. Two green shamrocks growing beneath the tree. Another one sprouted, and then there were three. Three green shamrocks by the cottage door. Another one sprouted, then there were four. Four green shamrocks near a beehive. Uh-oh! Another one sprouted, and then there were five. Phew, Elmo, good thing we didn't get stung by the bees. Five shamrocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little shamrocks, bright and emerald green. Think of all the luck these shamrocks will bring. We have 5 shamrocks. Elmo, did you like our singing? You did? Aww. All right. Are you ready to go celebrate St. Patrick's Day? Elmo said yes. He wants to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Yay! Bye, my friends. See you guys next time. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of Elmo. Elmo, say bye to your friends.
Bye, Elmo. Bye-bye.